In every business sector, staying ahead of the competition means being able to react promptly to ever-changing market conditions, avoiding overloading one's production structure and upsetting the delicate balance that supports it with regard to financial, technical and human resources. Because of the flexographic printing sector intrinsic characteristics, human resources support has always been one of the fundamental factors to achieve the set goals. The flexographic sector has kept consolidating itself on the indisputable link between man and machine to give operators the best features to control and manage that balance between finance, technology and human resources. Over the past few years, the flexographic sector has undergone such all-embracing technical and technological innovations that both the press component design and the press operator's approach to flexo printing have become obsolete. Far-reaching changes in the production structures, currently with the implementation of new operating and working procedures, have become prerequisites to guarantee profitability. To bridge the gap between today's priorities and consolidated traditional working procedures, Schiavi has focused the engineering of the Sigma Flexo Press on the achievement of top quality and performance levels, with as minimal changes as possible in press operation. Management of change under all its aspects and optimization of the results from the client's viewpoint are the guidelines that have led to the development of the Sigma Flexo Press. The Sigma Flexo Press is characterized by a modular configuration, affording a more rational use of the press accessory equipment, and by a compact design allowing for its installation in confined spaces and running by one operator only. The reel stands feature a mirror-like configuration and ensure a perfect handling of any substrate at unwinding and rewinding with optimum web tension during all stages of printing. This allows for a considerable decrease in product waste, even during the most critical stages of reel splicing, which can be carried out at top speed with the possibility of synchronizing operations on both reel stands. The attention paid to every machine feature in order to maximize results in terms of quality and performance, while keeping production costs to the minimum, can clearly be seen in the configuration of the web path area between the unwinder and printing group infeed. It is characterized by the extreme care in the choice of component elements such as the idle rollers, which are perfectly balanced to keep web tension low, so that there are no disturbances to the material, and the reduction of web path length to minimize waste during register adjustment and color tone testing operations. Notwithstanding the press compact size, it is possible to fit ancillary equipment on demand, such as coroner treaters, web guiders, banana rollers, electrostatic assist. The printing group features a compact frame that dampens vibrations during the very critical conditions of operating at top speed and printing a subject with an uneven surface. The design, comprising the main frame with the whole of the base resting on the floor, the pairing and the horizontal print decks, creates a harmony of shapes and dimensions that, at the same time, provide for very low solvent emissions into the surrounding environment, improved efficiency of the intercolor dryers, and better accessibility to the printing elements. The printing deck is the machine element our engineers have centered their efforts on to achieve a perfect blend of innovation and tradition. Innovation relates to technology, and tradition relates to the way the printer approaches operation of the press. Schiavi engineers have developed the Sigma printing decks following some precise guidelines. Operating parameters simple to set, changeover operations easy to perform, job recall and repeatability, safety for the operator. A unique integration between mechanics and electronics has been achieved in order to optimize the control and management of the various stages of the press make-ready and running operations, maximizing the results in terms of printing quality, production efficiency, and successful combination of sophistication and simplicity. This is exemplified by the mandrel locking system, be they CPC or Anilocks. That makes sleeve changeovers easy for the operator and is combined with the automation that supports traversing along the guiding slides with their precise positioning. The use of reliable components and open architecture and network for data transmission and exchange between the motors has been thoroughly checked and successfully implemented on installed machines, supports the cost-effectiveness and reliability of the electronic and mechanic solutions adopted on the Sigma Flexo Press. The Dr. Blade Group is another example of how simplicity and sophistication are not contradictory terms, quite succeeding instead to satisfy the most exacting requirements. The choice of using the same blade and side seal locking systems fitted on other Schiavi gearless presses underlines our commitment to offer solutions capable of increasing productivity and simplifying operators' tasks. Top performances, excellent quality, minimum solvent residual content, low cost and environmental compliance have been the focus of our engineering efforts to continue to design the solution that fulfills all expectations. The hallmarks of the Sigma Flexopress in this respect are a wide choice of heating systems, the recirculation of air through separate ducts to ensure efficient drying with low energy consumption, better drying efficiency thanks to re-engineered nozzles that reduce to the minimum solvent retention on the printed webs even at top speed, newly designed air ducts that guarantee the optimization of airflow with reduced energy consumption. The web cooling system, consisting of 2 motorized chill rollers, is an indispensable element for pulling the film at the correct web tension towards the rewinding station, where it should arrive properly conditioned and without internal tensions that could jeopardize the product quality. A web inspection station can be housed in the same upright, as well as a slitting and trimming group should the converter require to rewind more than one trimmed reel. The Sigma Flexopress, just like all other Schiavi Flexopresses, can be completed with ancillary equipment, most particularly an onboard washing system and an automatic pre-register setting system. The washing system is the natural evolution for converters wanting to achieve top efficiency with short print runs. Short run printing requires several machine stops for job changeovers, resulting in long downtimes for cleaning the inking systems and all the component parts that are linked with transferring the colour onto the web, as well as the new ink make-ready operations. The fully automatic washing system engineered by Schiavi allows all the operations previously manually performed by the operators to be carried out between 2 jobs, i.e. drainage and recovery of used inks, pre-washing, full washing and new ink supply for the next job. The working sequences have been optimized to automatically perform all the operations necessary for a perfect washing of printing decks within a short time frame and using little solvent. The only task performed by the operator consists in switching ink tanks. The latest generation Sigma gearless Flexopress can be integrated with an automatic register presetting system, which is particularly useful during the register setting stages of first orders. The press has been conceived to exploit the system of automatic presetting at its best, hence to achieve top productivity under any working conditions. The Sigma gearless Flexopress exemplifies once again Schiavi know-how, complemented by the synergies that are made possible within the companies of the Bobst Group. The Bobst Group implements the highest level of competence and resources in every sector, from research and development to engineering and industrialization, to assembly and quality control, to spare parts supply and after-sales service. Schiavi is fully committed on a course aimed at achieving full customer satisfaction via ongoing technical innovations and timely and reliable services over time, considering its clients as partners with whom to share mutually rewarding future success.